Good morning, students. Today we have worksheet number 43, date 13 October 2020. While writing or solving this worksheet in your copy, you have to write subject, class, section, your name, your class teacher name, and after that, you will do your work. Now, let's read what is today in this worksheet. Hello, students. I'm reading what the worksheet says. Hello, students. Hope you all are taking good care of yourself and enjoying doing these worksheets online. Yeah, very true. This year we all have used social media like never before. Social media has made it possible for all you out there to study from the safety of your homes thanks to WhatsApp and other portals which have made knowledge available at the click of a key. Through such worksheets, we will talk about different portals of e learning. Facebook is first on our list. This worksheet is about the use of different social media portals. Do you know, students, if there will no social platform or portals, then how it will be possible to us to continue our study amid COVID-19 and lockdown? We know that social media is boon and curse for us and students as well. But it is proved in COVID-19 that social media is in any way a boon to the students, to the teachers, and so on. And today's worksheet tells these things to us, that everybody knows that we stay at home, and from home we are doing our study. So in this way we are able to know, we are able to get the importance of social media. And first of all, we take Facebook. So in this way, first we know the fun facts about Facebook. Listen to me carefully. I'm going to read the fun facts about the Facebook. Did you know that Facebook has about a billion users? Oh, Facebook के पास बिलियन यूजर्स हैं. Very interesting fact this is. And the next is, Mark Zuckerberg's first idea was to create a site called FaceMash. मार्क जकरबर्ग, जिन्होंने फेसबुक इन्वेंट किया है, पहले वो फेसमैश साइट बनाने वाले थे, फिर उन्होंने फेसबुक बना दिया. नेक्स्ट, ही हैड प्लान्ड एन ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टरी. उन्होंने पहले ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टरी प्लान की थी. मे बी वो सफल नहीं हुए, इसीलिए फेसबुक इन्वेंट हो गया. नेक्स्ट फैक्ट इज, women use Facebook more than men. This fact we really know about that. Women are using Facebook more than men. And the next fun fact is, the older generation is growing more interested in Facebook. Oh, this is very interesting, that our older generation is also trying to handle the Facebook account or any other social media network. The next fun fact is Facebook is super popular in rural area, not only in cities but also in the rural areas. Facebook is working very good among people. So now let's to the question. What is the task? Task is to know about the features of Facebook, unjumble the given sentences to make meaningful sentences. Here are 8 jumble sentences. First of all, I tell you what is jumble. Jumble means confusing or uh, disarrangement. The given sentence, the given sentences are written in confusing way or in disarrangement way, and we have to unjumble all these sentences. Unjumble means we have to write it in arranged way. अनजम्बल का मतलब होता है बच्चों, जो दिया हुआ सेंटेंस है उसको अरेंज वे में लिखना है. जंबल का मतलब होता है कंफ्यूजिंग वे, डिसअरेंजमेंट, प्रॉपर वे में लिखा हुआ नहीं है. जंबल वर्ड्स पढ़ने के बाद कोई मीनिंग निकालने में थोड़ी मुश्किल होती है, उसे हमें अनजंबल करना है, उसे हमें अरेंज करना है इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो लेट्स रीड फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. फाइंड ए ग्रेट वे Facebook is to friends. This is the first sentence and it is in jumble or in a improper way. इसको प्रॉपर वे में लिखना है कि सबसे पहले what comes first and next, and we have to arrange in that way the meaning can come out from the sentence. Find a great way Facebook is to friends. It will be Facebook is a great way to find friends. The answer will be Facebook is a great way to find friends. And the next is gives us it also learning material wonderful, also written in jumble way. And in unjumble way it will be, unjumble way में ये होगा it also gives us wonderful learning material. तो इस तरीके से आपको सारे सेंटेंस को प्रॉपर वे में, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लगाना है ताकि आराम से मीनिंग भी इसकी निकल आए. और लास्ट में देखिए, इस तरीके से जब आप सारे सेंटेंस क्लियर कर लेते हैं, मैंने आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल बता दिए शुरू के, बाकी के सेंटेंस आपको खुद करने हैं. लास्ट में जैसे कि in every worksheet there is some valuable message relating to COVID-19 for safety purpose. I read the message. You see, wash your hands with soap and water regularly. If you want to prevent yourself and your family, you will have to follow these small, simple but valuable messages given in your worksheets. Today we will follow the message and apply in our life. वॉश योर हैंड्स विद सोप एंड वाटर रेगुलरली. हमें अपने हाथों को बराबर धोना है साबुन से. पानी से साफ़ करना है ताकि हम कोविड-19 के इन्फेक्शन से बच सकें। And today's worksheet is very easy and very interesting also. And this worksheet will not take more than 15 minutes to solve. So I hope you all will understand the question given in the worksheets. And after completing your worksheets in beautiful handwriting, all the students will share and send their worksheets on WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.